Hello, it's Dave here, and in this video we're going to talk about rapid logo creation. So what we're going to do is basically create a logo for our website, and we're going to do it really fast, and we won't need to hire a designer because we're just going to keep it really simple. Now, what I've found is that the best logos are simple, and we don't need loads of fancy gradients or anything to make it look complicated. All we need is basically a font and maybe a little icon. So I'm here in Canva, and I'm using Canva because everybody tends to use it for simple stuff. Generally I do my design stuff in another program called Pixelmator on the Mac, which is similar to Photoshop, but to keep this tutorial as simple as possible I'm using Canva, and I just thought I'd see if I can do what I normally do in Pixelmator in Canva. So what we're going to do is here we're going to create a design. There is one for logo, but I'm not going to use that. I'll explain why in a second. I'm going to use this desktop wallpaper one. Now I want the full screen of 19 whatever. Do you know the HD definition? 1920 by 1080, because I may want to use the whole screen as like a splash screen for video, so I can basically kill two birds with one stone here. So we've got our canvas here, it's a HD size, and all we're going to do is add a text in there, yeah, and then we want to make the text bigger, so just make it as big as possible. And then let's kind of make it full width. Okay, so that's going to be where our logo text is. Now I'm making a logo for the Fast Academy, so Fast Academy. Now that in itself isn't really an inspiring logo, so what we're going to do is basically change the font. Now I found one earlier, and I'll see if I can find it again. But you can basically flick through these fonts and see what might look good as a logo. In fact, I'm going to find, I think it was Barlow Light. Yeah, I think it was this one. So I've got the font that I was going to use, and then what I do is make it, I kind of split up the words, so that's going to be italics, and then we're going to make them slightly different colors. So that's going to be a kind of dark grey, and this is going to be blue. Oops. So we can see it's kind of taking shape. Now the next bit is I want a little icon. So because it's an academy, I want kind of an educational theme. Just going to put a tick. I'll search for a tick. No, sorry, I want to be on the elements. I'll search for a tick. And let's see, that might do it. And let's just resize that and drag it into place. And make sure it's the same color as the text. Yep, so those are the same colors, and now we've pretty much got our logo in place. So I'm just going to center it in this canvas. It's about center, so yeah. So that's it. That's my rapid logo creation. Now, everybody tells you to go to Fiverr and get a logo created, but to be honest, it takes too long. And then I have to sift through people and submissions and different versions that they send, and I just want a logo for a website, and it don't have to be complicated. And there we are, it's just 2 words and a little icon. So that'll do for now until I want to actually get a proper designer on the job, and maybe this will just be perfect anyway. But as you can see, creating a logo doesn't have to be a complicated, expensive process. So that's it for this video. Thank you.